Hey everybody, this is Get Sideways. Today I have a American 1100 series lock. Here is the code on this one for the date, XNMR3. It's a 6-pin lock. Here's the bitting. Alright, let's see if I can make short work of this. I'm not even going to call out the pins just because I'm going to be dancing back and forth like multiple times across these, I'm sure. So this lock has definitely taught me a lot about serrated pins, I'll tell you that much. Just drop some pins there. There we go. And open. Alright, let's get a screwdriver here and take this thing apart. Let me just move the camera down here. And for everybody's favorite part, removing the clip. See if I can do this fast here. Doubt it. We'll see. See if I can do it without taking off my fingers. And without locking this thing back up. Come on, you devil. There we go. Finally. And it didn't go halfway across the room. That's great. Alright. And, crap. Looks like I'm going to have to lock this back up again because I need this fat part to be up towards the Bible. So I'm just going to go ahead and lock it back up here. And spin it back the other way. Make sure no pins fall out there. Good. Alright. Let's see here. I'm going to grab a socket since I don't have any plug followers yet. Turn this just a little bit this way. And here we go. Alright. Alright, so the key works in there. All the pins are present. See if I can dump these out here. First key pin is serrated. Second is standard. Third is standard. Fourth is serrated. Fifth is standard. And the 6th is serrated. I'm just going to probably just let these pop out here. So let's get this started. First one is a spool. Oh, I'm sorry. The second one is a spool. First one is sitting still in the chamber. It is a serrated. Alright, third one, serrated. Fourth is a spool. Fifth is a serrated. And fifth is a serrated. Let me get the springs out. Get everything in order here. We'll get a close-up. All right. And there we go. An American 1100 series. Picked and gutted. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.